dapat yung skill na yan magpapayaman na sa'yo. You get to always hear from me na yung 1 mile, masyado ka malawak, pero hindi ka lumalalim. Huwag ganun. Hindi ka yayaman ng ganun. Lumawak ka, yes, lumawak ka, pero hanapan mo saan ka lalalim. Hanapin mo saan ka pwedeng lumalim at lumalim ka. Magkaroon ka ng substance, magkaroon ka ng depth. Ilang isang lalaki, middle age, no? Dapat meron ka ng alam, meron ka ng expertise, 'di ba? Hindi pwedeng, people leader ka lang. Hindi pwedeng isa lang yung skill na alam mo in terms of leadership. I mean, everyone can do what you're doing eh. But if you develop a skill, let's say AI skill, blockchain, trading, there needs to have a skill that common people don't understand yet. And that makes you really indispensable. That makes you really expensive. No? Lumawak ka, yes. Kabataan mo ngayon, lumawak ka, yes. Put your hands on many places. But at the same time, alamin mo saan ka pwedeng lumalim doon.